Good morning, students. This is Shashi here, and I am going to teach you chemistry today, which comes under your science subject. So, this is the chapter we are going to deal today, sorting material into groups, which comes under your chemistry portion. Now, the first chapter we are going to deal today is first portion, which we are going to deal today is matter. From your childhood only you are studying about matter. So we'll discuss today in little bit broad manner. So according to the definition, what is matter? Anything which we can see, touch, smell, taste, occupies space and has mass is called matter. From the beginning only you are studying from your standard 3, 4, 5, you must have studied about matter, but little bit in broad manner we are going to study today. So now whatever you see around you, anything, whether it is glass, whether it is book, whether it is pen, whether it is pencil, anything, whatever you see around you, everything, aeroplane, bus, car, paper, pen, whatever you see around you, everything is matter. Okay, whatever you see, milk, water, everything, whatever you see around you, that is your matter. Suppose I am taking the example of one stone. So here it is, roughly I am drawing one stone. So this stone, according to the definition, can we see or not? Yes, of course we can see the stone. Can we touch the stone? Yes, of course we can touch the stone. Okay, and it is occupying space. Yes, this much space it will occupy. So we can say that stone is a matter. Anything, any example you take. Suppose you take the example of book. Any book, suppose this is your book, this much thick book. Okay, so we can see the book. We can see that it is having some mass. If you measure it, it will have some mass. Suppose 100 gram or 50 gram or 250 gram. So it is having some mass and it is occupying this much space. So we can say book is also a matter. So whatever you are looking around you, everything is a matter. Why? Because we can touch it, we can see that it is occupying space and it is having mass. Okay, so we can say that whatever we see around us, everything is a matter. Got it? Now if you'll take the example of water in a glass. Suppose this much water, this glass is full of water. So can we say that this water is matter? Yes, of course we can say. We can see the water and it is occupying this much space. This much space it is occupying, and if you measure it, it will have some mass, isn't it? 100 gram, 50 gram, anything, it will have some mass. So we can say that water is mass, water is matter. Okay, now if you'll have confusion that air we cannot see, then how we can say that air is also mass? Yes, I'll tell you with an example. Now suppose take one balloon. Okay, take one balloon. Okay, and inside the balloon what is there? Air. What is there? Air. If air will not be there, this balloon size will be very small, isn't it? Very small size it will be. So when we are filling the air inside it, it is occupying space. This much space it is occupying, isn't it? And first of all, if you measure this empty balloon, maybe its mass will be 1 gram, and after filling the air inside the balloon, if you measure, then you may get 5 gram. So can you see or not that from 1 gram it has changed into 5 gram, isn't it? So how its mass is changing? Because we are filling air into it. So from here what we conclude, that air is occupying space also and it is having mass also. So we can say that air is also a matter, isn't it? So air, water, milk, stone, everything is a matter. Now classification of matter. Okay, so matter can be classified into three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. What was the example of solid? Just now we have discussed stone, paper, book, aeroplane, car, everything comes under solid. Then liquid, in liquid, milk, water, kerosene. Okay, so this is the second form of liquid. Then gas, so many gases are there: oxygen which we breathe in, carbon dioxide which we breathe out, hydrogen which is filled in the balloon and it goes up. You must have seen that balloon. So matter is classified into three states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so children, you'll try to solve this question. First of all, what is matter? You have to give the example. Then classify three states of matter with examples. And how can you say that stone, water and air are matter? Okay, you have to explain. Just now I have explained. So try to solve all these questions. I hope it is clear to you. So see you in the next class. Thank you.